All right, back we go. I get the mic on. Hope it sounds good. Better than the last one. I don't think I was very close to the mic. All right, let's look over the next four of these penny plays. Some of them are turned into not exactly penny plays anymore because they are, growing. They're getting above penny stock land in the one area. All right, let's go over NXTD. Let's take a look. I'm going to try to type this in. Without moving this. Don't have a really good setup here. See if this is working. NXTD. All right, NXTD. 32 million float. Try to get closer here. Short growth 1.61%, or actually 1,600. It looks like. Market cap 49 million. Cash 2.24 million. Revenue 12 million plus. Assets 24 million. Stock splits 40%. Insider 6.95%. Institutions 12.93%. No income listed. 11 million in debt. Enterprise value 59 million. It's pretty fairly valued. And let's look at the profile. What they do provides a comprehensive platform of technology, products, and services that enable the Internet of Things. Operates businesses one segment: hardware and software, security systems, applications. The firm develops and markets groundbreaking solutions for payment and IoT applications. Its technology products and solutions include mobile bio, suite biometric solutions, the secure consumers, mobile platforms, the Wocket, smart wallet, and the Fly. A digital credit card developed collaboration with World Ventures. Company was founded by Gina Miguel Pereira and David Charles Tunnell, February 12th, and it's headquartered in Oxford, Connecticut. The buy sells looks like a lot more buys. It doesn't add it up on trade ideas and insiders. And let me take a look here. This is on FinViz. Income minus 09 million. Sales 12 million. They have a float of 29 million. Let's see what they say down here. It has manufactures and distributes non-monitored and monitored personnel emergency response systems sold through dealers, distributors in the United States, Department of Veteran Affairs, Internet, including security, healthcare, financial technology. Any news in this recently? Regains compliance with NASDAQ minimum bid price requirement. I think they got to be over $1. That was January 5th. Before that, nothing. I don't see nothing for over a month. All right, the monthly on this. This has had one split back in 2016. It's when as high as 72.50, came all the way down with the split. On the see the weekly. See this triangle right here? It's a big triangle since 2016. You got 8 level, 6 level, the 2 level. Then look at this straight line that is about 30 cents. So that's a key line too, that quarter line in a penny stock world. All right, the daily. You see this grind down. See this high get lower, lower. We're at that big line now. We're going to break it finally. We'll go back to 2020. See this one sideways where when as high as like 120. And then we get the 30 cents. See this one down pretty much within $1 and below. And then we explode it. Exploded from 40 cents. Look at these two candles. That was in December. big volume there. And it went back and forth. The volume dropped, but look at this. This is very choppy. You can't. There's no way you want to swing this. Yeah, if you want to swing it over 1, you can. Made the 210. So you have a big range here. Now, what's it going to do? It's sort of like flattening here. On the 4-hour, see it's going down. Nothing really happening. Pretty much sideways, though. So where could this go? 2-line, 250. First you want to see this 2 hold, and then 250 plus. Now, on the other side, you want really the 1 level, most important line in penny stock land, the hold. And then you want, right here, this 130 line. That's where we're at now. It's a tough chart. This is very choppy to read. No news on it recently, so. All right, that's it on NXTD. Let's go to AHT. Go here, AHT. All right, Ashford Hospitality Trust. A little higher here. $49 million float, short growth 34%, $150 million market cap, cash $212 million, revenue $777 million, assets $3.8 billion, stock splits 244%, insiders own 5%, institutions 18%, no income listed, current debt $3.7 billion, tons of debt, valued at $3.62 billion, and profile. It is real estate investment trust, which invests in the hospitality industry. Firm's investments include direct hotel investments, mezzanine financing through direct hotel investments. Oh, wait a minute, I messed that up. I'm sorry. First, the firm's investments include direct hotel investments, financing through origination of acquisition, first mortgage, financing through sale, leaseback transactions, hospitality transactions. It could have made that simpler. Company was founded by Montgomery Jack Bennett in May 2003, headquartered in Dallas, Texas. You have 2.31 million buys, 140,000 sells, so that's good. They have income minus 488 million, sales 772 million, float 13 million on FinViz. January 12th, implied volatility surging for Ashford Trust. That was stock options, Zacks. I don't see anything else here. All right, FinViz breaks it down. So real estate investment trust focus on investing predominantly in upscale full service hotels. Okay. All right, the monthly. This has been around since 2003. Came way down to 10, 2009 with the crash. Bounced up hard 11, came back. Hit a high of 120. Well, there's a reverse split. So at a weekly, this has been coming down since 85 all the way down. The reverse split. We're way down here now. You do see increased volume. See this since November. So the crash, the coronavirus crash, it was on this thing was high as 26, went all the way down to 6. Then we bounced real hard June up to that 18 line, reverse split, came all the way down to 130, and we bounced 550, and we came back. See this right here? We have a descending triangle. The high is getting lower each time, but the low is holding. See how the low is holding right here at 215, whatever it is? A little bit of volume creeping up here. We're oversold. Stock doesn't move in big chunks. If we get over 3, I would like to see this grind 350. Slowly back up. I think we can get to 550 here. Excuse me. I think we get to 550. You have a big line here. See the 6 line all the way back? That's a pretty big line too. See that? So it goes back to March, April, June, all the way to November. So, this could be a longer term play maybe if this can hold. So right here, you want this line to hold. This is the 215 line. So it's definitely look like it wants to squeeze out here. So that's it on AHT. All right, let's move to the next. Let's go here. TANH. TANH. And basically looking at trade ideas and FinViz. FinViz is free, but you can pay for it too. It's like 30 a month, I think. All right, this is TANH. Tenatech Holdings. Float 24 million. Short growth minus 54%. Market cap 71 million. Cash 15 million. Revenue 51 million. Assets 113 million. Stock splits 507%. Insiders own 32%. It's good. Institutions nothing. 1% plus. No income. Debt's 8 million. It's not bad. Enterprise value 45 million. All right, profile. What do? They engage in development, manufacture of bamboo-based charcoal products. Okay. Operates through the following segments: consumer product trading, biofuel energy, purification, deodorization products, cleaning products, barbecue, charcoals, designed for the domestic market, sold under the brand name Charcoal Doctor. Drink segment focuses on exporting charcoal products, or it says charcoal products. The electric vehicle segment offers solar cells, lithium-ion batteries, auto parts, and electric control systems. Company was founded by Zhengyu Wang on November 19, 2010, headquartered in Luoxia, China. So it's a China play. With no insiders. China plays, you got to be very careful because you can never trust the financials. Income minus 6 million, sales 51 million, trade FinViz 24 million float. Let's see what they say down here. Cleaning applications, Republic of China, and internationally. They have consumer products, trading, electric vehicle. Electric vehicles case, that's been hot. What else do they say here? Bamboo, lotions, soaps, toilet cleaners, fertilizers. And then you have emergency vehicles, funeral cars, solar cells, and that. Okay. What was the news recently? On this, Kenetech subsidiary launches newest driverless and autonomous street sweeper. That was December 1st. There's been no news on this. Um, there's been no news for way over a month on this. This is kind of odd. All right, the monthly, no splits. This has been around since 2015. Went up to 32 plus, that we came all the way down. You can see here Hello, can you hear me? Hello? 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 What the heck's going on here? Hello, can you hear me? Oh, yeah, yeah. Hello, hello. All right. Well, I hope this finishes well. We got one more to do, so I hope it's recording and we can hear it. All right, so you can see this back here, this 4 line came all the way back to 1 and bounced up to 350. And then see this 125 line, this big drop. And now we're making this U shape. See this U movement? And we're coming back up. Big volume here. Really good move today. It's at 2. And it shot right up. This could go to 225, 3, and you can come all the way back up. Anywhere 225 to 350. And you want this 125 to hold. Look at this. 1, 2. So this needs news now. There's no news in it, so I'm not sure what's going on. All right, last one. ADMP. Over here, ADMP. All right, Dynamis Pharmaceuticals, float 92 million, short growth minus 38%. Market cap 74 million, cash 12 million, revenue 18 million, assets 43 million, stock splits 296%, insiders own 1.68%, institutions 6.9%, no income, 6.88 current debt, 51 million enterprise value. What do? They're a biopharmaceutical company which engages in the discovery, development, and sales of pharmaceutical, specialty biopharmaceutical, and other drug products. It offers a Synjepi product for allergy, respiratory, and opioid overdose, and erectile dysfunction markets. The company was founded in 2006, headquartered in San Diego, California. 126,000 cells. I don't see no buys. Minus 34 million income, sales 18 million, 92 million float on FinBiz. What else did they say here in FinBiz? Syringe, they have an injection, pre-filled syringe, acute allergies, inhaler, asthma, opioid overdose, hormone replacement therapy. They have urological preparations, topical compounds for pain, and men and women's health products. Certain veterinarian pharmaceutical products for animals. Any news recently? Dynamis Pharmaceuticals described planned response to ZIMHI complete response letter, December 1st. I'm not sure what that was. January 8th, surges, stock moves 6% higher. There's been no news recently. All right, this had a split back in 2013. This was as high as 18. 2009 came back up. 2012, like double top, and this thing's been going down since. And you can see in the weekly here, it's been in a downtrend. I could draw this. See this? Draw this all the way up. Doesn't have to be exact. And you want to draw this all the way across, because that's your low now. And it comes across this way too. So it's a wedge. Wait, let's move it. See this? The wide width, and then it gets smaller, 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 which means it's going to break out, most likely. That's why you see this increased volume. You go to the daily here, and I put it right near 30 cents. I mean, it's pretty close. It's bounced in April all the way up to 150, came back down 60, broke up to 1. Then you had the big gap down. It's held 40, and then here we are again at 80 cents. Good volume here, filled the gap. Now, where are we going? Yeah, you want this to reclaim that important 1 level. Let's see here. Probably put this across too. See this line right here at 125? You have 1 November, then you have August. You try to get up, and then it gap down after that right here. Imagine if you bought it right here, and then it gap down. Then it did this back in August. See this? You can't hold this 125 line. But it looks like we're going to challenge that again. We get a 1. At this point, I think we get a 125. There might be news released eventually. There's been nothing, no news in a while in the stock. So, I'm just reading some stock twits. I don't see none here. So, my move here is look for the 125. You want your stop. The longer term, you don't want this to go below 30 or, this gap, I would say 60 or really 70 cents. All right, so that's it for these stocks. Please subscribe, like, him and trade, stock twits. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. TikTok, Mike Frank I. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. Trade ideas. It's a referral in YouTube. I'm not even sure if it works. So, and Mike Him and Trades on YouTube. All right, we're out for now. On to the next stocks after this. Peace.